Hi everybody, it's me, Rudy from the Magicians Forum. I'm here with my beautiful Brian, who is going to tell you that these cards are shuffled, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But just in case you don't think they are, why don't you give those a cut? And then give them a shuffle, a little riffle shuffle. Now, this is a real shuffled deck at this point, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, it will be.
Yeah. Wow. Why don't you give them a cut too? For our friends at home, are these truly shuffled? In fact, they can see them really shuffled.
Yep.
All right, what we're gonna do. I'm going to, along with Charlene's help, we're gonna try to create a coincidence here. Coincidentally, this morning when I woke up, I had a strange dream that I was trapped. We were trapped, and when I asked Charlene what she was dreaming of, she said she dreamt that she was trapped as well, which is a weird coincidence that I think shows how connected we truly are. But I want to demonstrate that for you with this deck of cards. Now, I want you to choose whichever pile you want. Do you want the one on your left or the right?
That one.
For sure.
Mm-hmm.
Take that. Put your hand. Dealing position. And what you're going to do is, if you look at the top card and it's red, deal it to your right. If it's black, deal it to your left. And what I'm going to do is follow along with her instructions. However these are shuffled, that's how we're going to dispense these. So you show me what we're doing first.
Right.
To the right, okay?
Right.
Okay.
Left.
Okay.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Left. Right. Left.
Okay.
Right. Left.
How random, huh?
Right. Right. Left. Right. Left. 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 Left.
Almost done.
Left. Left.
It's okay. Good.
Left.
This doesn't mean you're a bad shuffler.
Left. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Left.
Okay.
Right. Left.
Now, what we did here, and again, completely free shuffle here. All black there. Look at all these ones are black. All red here. Look at this. All of these are red as well. A real interesting coincidence, wouldn't you say?
Yep.
I would too.